everyone, Nancy without treasure hunt. So while I'm cooking dinner, bring y'all along for that, and then I'm going to show you some things I've made for my trip. Okay, so they had tater tots and hamburgers. I have cabbage, mustard greens, and snow peas, and okra. And then I sauteed that. I put an egg in it to, just have some protein. I'm not going to unthaw any ground turkey while, it's in the fridge. So we're going to have that. I am putting some mozzarella cheese in here. And we're going to make a burrito wrap. Veggie style. Alright. So I'm going to stir this around just a little bit. Alright, here we go. Bring it over here so y'all can see. Put this here. Alrighty. And in we go. It looks so good. Now, y'all, sometimes I do things just a little bit different. And my seasonings last. So some onion powder, a little bit of salt. I got some garlic powder coming. And let's see here. There we go. Oh yeah, I love garlic, so kind of load up on that. And some black pepper. Now you can season it while it's in the pan. You can make it, if you want an Italian seasoning on there. All kinds of ways. You can put dressing on this also. So just like a burrito, of course, my burritos always fall apart anyway. There we go. Alrighty. So here's dinner. That took more of a bite than I was expecting. Try not to get the bread stuck in my teeth, so when I talk. So, what I've done so far, took the heart-shaped pan. This one actually finally came out. Because you can see that beginning and end of the arrows and the heart. This is the fluted one. This one's supposed to say love. It's actually in there this time. There you go. This is the double-hearted. I think this one says love. That one says love. I forgot the other one says. Alright. Here's an ended heart. Oh, they come up really good on the camera. Here's another fluted type of heart. Then we have, and hearts. And let's see, I think this one's the last one I haven't shown. Puffed heart. And it's supposed to have hearts and hearts. So there you go. Oh yeah, they turned out sweet. Then we made some muffins. I made muffins. So the muffins, I put some to the side already. I've got bread in the oven. So when that's finished, I'll take a picture and put it at the end of the video. But yeah, getting there. I'm gonna make me some sandwiches. I've got the muffins, and I'm gonna make some cookies tonight, just because, you know. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll see you next time on I Treasure Home.